let's go through the steps of creating a template so you can send out an order. First, let's give the template a name and email subject. This helps keep templates organized and allows recipients to understand what they're receiving. Let's then add a personal touch by adding a logo and changing the name of the sender if need be. Now, for the most important part of the template, which is the gift itself. Click on the black box to open the gift editing window. Here, we want to make sure that we set the region we are sending to, the value of the gift cards that we are sending, and what options will be available for the recipient to claim. When everything is set, click Save Details. The body allows you to create a message that you want the recipient to see. You have 10,000 characters to play with, so do not hesitate to use them. Recipient first name will also pull your contact's first name for further personalization if you included that contact info. Lastly, let's make sure to set our expiry date. The default is 90 days, but you can do up to 365, giving recipients a full year to redeem their gift. If you see 7 check marks down the left, you are good to send an order or save the template for a later time. But how about testing to see what the final product looks like? Click the 3 dots at the top and select the Send Test Email to send yourself an example of your newly created template. Templates are the backbone of sending out rewards, and there is no limit to the amount you can create. Be sure to keep your templates up to date or even check if there's a new brand you want to include. Giftbit, making rewards simple and remarkable.